Krishna.
Mabuhay from the Philippines.
So today we are very excited. Why?
Okay, it's the first time to rain here in Doha. If you can see, I'm so wet. I'm so wet. From head to toe.
I have never experienced about this rainfall in Qatar. This is my first time.
Really?
Yeah, really.
But in the Philippines, we almost like experiencing a lot of rain, especially in December.
I'm feeling, I'm suffering from common cold, but I did not try to stop it from outside, and I also from outside I avoid now.
We have to because we're working as of now, and we have to, pick up all those stuffs here outside. But inshallah, we'll not get sick.
So
Okay.
we go out this side or?
It's okay. What are we doing?
Yeah, okay, we'll go inside also, and now this is now
Everyone is having a good time. Say hi, guys. So, I hope everyone, Happy New Year. Have a Happy New Year. We're so blessed that today it's raining and we are feeling blessed. Okay?
I'm feeling very happy. We are feeling very happy, right?
Yes.
Today is the New Year, and also
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay?
Okay, thank you.